everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a new video and I'm doing a pretty fun video. I actually love watching unboxing videos and I love making them as well. So I was contacted by PinchMe. I've actually done a video with them before to unbox their new sample box, and I'm super excited to show you guys what's inside. PinchMe is just a company that kind of works as a middleman between brands and regular people just to get opinions on certain products that brands send out. All you have to do, it's absolutely free, no credit card is required. You just go sign up on their site, put in your address, and then you pick free samples that you would like to get. And the only thing that they ask in return is for you to just give your opinion if you like the sample, if it worked for you, what you didn't like, and all that good stuff. So they sent me this box to unbox on my channel, and I'm super excited. I'm going to be leaving all the links down below, and I think they gave me, let me see if they gave me, okay, so I'm stupid. They didn't give me a discount code because you don't pay for it. So I do have like a unique tracking link. If you guys do decide to sign up for PinchMe, I would mean a lot if you guys use my tracking link. I don't get anything from it except for the fact that the company knows that my viewers are watching and you guys like their product and all that stuff. But yeah, like I said, I'm not getting paid to make this video or anything like that. They did send me the box for free and that's it. And another thing that I feel like is important to say is their sample Tuesday is usually on the second Tuesday of every month. So make sure you sign up and you're ready for the second Tuesday of the month and you guys can get your free stuff. So let's get straight into the unboxing. By the way, you guys, I just had like a full day of school and I was like, I need to film this video. So that's why I look kind of like not my best right now. So this is what the box looks like when I first opened it, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did peek inside because I was super excited. So let's get straight into what's inside. So the first thing we have are the Blue Diamond Almonds Mini Nut Thins with a hint of sea salt. These are almond and rice. Ow, I just like hit my eye with that. Cracker snacks. And a cool thing about PinchMe is you guys will see it's a very wide range of products. So it's not only like beauty and it's not only food. It's just like a bunch of stuff. So that's the first thing I got. And then, oh my god, I totally forgot. But there's like a paper that tells you how PinchMe works and all that stuff. So really cool. Next up, we have the Think Thin Protein and Probiotics Whey, and it has 20 grams of protein and 1 billion probiotics with high fiber. I do like Think Thin. If you are a big, like a long time viewer of mine, then you know that my go-to protein powder is Unjury, but I have tried Think Thin when I've been in a bind for protein. I usually get their peanut butter one. I'm excited to try the probiotic because I do have some kind of digestive issues, and I feel like I don't know who was that. Oh, my boyfriend was telling me like, oh, you should try drinking some probiotics. So this will be interesting to try. I'll make a smoothie and I'll let you guys know. Maybe you'll see this in an upcoming favorites video. You never know. And then there is this toothpaste, which I thought was like super interesting. This is a Dr. Sheffield's certified natural toothpaste. It's fluoride free, helps to remove stains for a whiter, brighter smile. So this is fluoride free toothpaste. It's natural. I'm kind of scared of this, you guys. I do need to try it and let you know if I do like it, because this doesn't have, I don't think it has that minty taste that I love. But oh my god, can we just, I love this packaging. It's so pretty. Let me see what it smells like. Actually, it smells like mint. Oh, that's great. The only, because one time I tried like a fluoride free toothpaste, like an all natural one, and it tasted literally like nothing, and I just couldn't get on board with that. So we'll see if I like this product. This is pretty cool. I don't know, my friend was trying to explain what this was. It's called Sugru or Sugru Moldable Glue, and what it is okay, so it's a multi-purpose moldable glue that sticks permanently to lots of materials. I don't know what I would use this for, and it's in the color blue. So basically what you do is you take it out. In 24 hours, it turns into a strong and durable silicone rubber that stays stuck. Huh. That's actually pretty cool. I'm going to look up some like crafty ways to use this because they do give you some options here. But I'm sure there's like cool things that you can do, and it turns into silicone. So we'll see how that goes. I have another food item in here. I'm very excited to try this. This is the RX bar for kids. It's 2 egg whites, 4 almonds, 5 cashews, 1 date, and it's the apple cinnamon raisin. And I'm into bars. Let me see. I want to see We have 100, oh, it's 130 calories, it's 7 grams of protein. But honestly, I'm like really into bars lately because I have school all day. So what I like to do is just have like a bar with me, and I just like eat a bar and I'm good for the rest of the day. I do enjoy my Luna bars, but there's so much sugar in Luna bars, and there's a lot of crap in there as well. So I'm excited to give that like the natural one a try. We'll see how that goes. A lot of people do like that one, so we'll see. And then there's some body products. So the first thing is the Dove exfoliating body polish in crushed macadamia and rice milk. I do love a good exfoliant. It's, oh, that smells so good. Right up my alley. I usually use, let me show you guys what I usually, Tina, get it together. I usually use the Soap and Glory smoothie, like the smoothie one, the exfoliant, and then I use the lotion as well. But I've been kind of over that smell a little bit. It's been a little bit much for me, so I'm excited. I keep saying I'm excited. I'm thrilled to try a new body polish. I do go spray tanning, so having a good exfoliant for your body is key to spray tanning. Like, you gotta have a good exfoliant. So last but not least, we have full-size Garnier Whole Blends, and this is the Gentle Haute Delicacy conditioner and then the same shampoo. I'm not sure if it was PinchMe that sent it to me, but I did get a sample size of the Garnier Whole Blends when it first came out, and I absolutely loved it. I really, really liked it. I do use Salon shampoo and conditioner for my hair because I do have blonde, really damaged hair, but I'm curious to see if this is gonna be good because I do like to give my hair breaks sometimes for my Salon shampoo and conditioner. Also, it does get really expensive, so we'll see if this works for my hair or not. Okay, so that is the end of the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please click the link down below if you guys want to join PinchMe. I mean, I don't see why you wouldn't. It's like a bunch of free stuff and it's free, and your girl loves free stuff. I'll tell you that right now. Thank you so much to the PinchMe team for collaborating with me again. If you guys have any questions or anything on how PinchMe works, I'll leave the website and stuff down below, or you guys can just comment and ask me, and I will do my best to answer it. Please like this video if you enjoyed. That was a very like awkward thumbs up, like. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.